Hello everybody, I'm S.Shanmugavalli, Assistant Professor from KC's Cardinal College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the introduction to PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is an open source, widely used language for web development. Developers can create dynamic and interactive websites by embedding PHP code into HTML. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP can handle data processing, session management, form handling, and database integration. PHP is free to download and use. The latest version of PHP is PHP 8.4, which is released in 2024. What is a PHP file? A PHP file is a file containing PHP code used to create dynamic web pages. It contains HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP code together. It runs on a web server with PHP installed, and the output is sent to the browser as a plain HTML. The file is saved with the extension .php. What can PHP do? It can generate dynamic content. PHP creates dynamic web pages based on user input. It manages files. PHP can create, open, read, write, and delete files on the server. It processes form data. PHP collects and processes data from web forms. It handles cookies. PHP can send and receive cookies to manage sessions. It interacts with databases. PHP adds, deletes, and modifies data in databases. It controls user access. PHP can manage login systems and user permissions. It encrypts data. PHP can encrypt sensitive information for security. Some of the special characteristics of PHP are performance, portability, simplicity of use, open source, and third-party application support. Thank you.